Welcome to this video about the basics of email writing. In the next few minutes, you will understand the simplest and most important facts of writing business emails and what you should think about before you start writing one. Emails are an important way of sharing information at work. In today's world, employees need to write emails both to people you work with and customers. Sometimes we're even expected to send emails to people who might be from different departments, other companies, and people from other countries. That is why business mails should always be to the point, clear to understand, and easy to read. Remember, an email always remains in the receiver's inbox. That's why you should be careful before sending each one out. Before writing any business email, ask yourself these 4 questions. Who is your audience? A business mail can be sent to either your colleague, customer, or manager. Who you are writing to will decide how you write. An email written to a colleague or someone you work with will be friendly yet professional, while an email to a client or customer will be formal. Once you know who you are writing to, enter the email address in the To field, which is for readers who need to reply or take action. Do not enter all the email IDs in the To field. The CC field is for readers who need to receive the email as a reference but do not need to take any action. The BCC field is for those who only need to see the initial email and nothing else. An email should have only one purpose. Each email should cover one specific task or request, like asking permission for leave. This helps the receiver understand the email easily and increases the chances of you achieving your objective of sending the email. If you need to put the different pieces of information related to the same topic, use a list to put down the information. Do not send too many emails asking for information that can be shared over a call or a message on WhatsApp. Choose the right way to send or ask for information. If you need to deliver bad news, do so in person rather than sending an email. If you have to share information that might hurt someone or make them angry, think about whether it is right to send the information by email. To check if it is appropriate, ask yourself, can I show this email in a meeting room or to my boss, future manager, and my mother? If it passes this test, send it. If not, rewrite it. We hope you have understood the basics of email writing.